Alright, y'all, get into this thing, tear it apart. This is the MOJAVE EXB. Last time I was out at the Exoplex, I believe I ruined the front diff in it. As you can hear, it's kind of crunchy when you turn it. Rear's smooth. Just to go over real quick what this has in it, it's a 1100 kV hobby wing motor with a Max 6 ESC 8S and a raw 500 Reefs servo. Also has the Vidavon. Oh, that's dead, so that's not gonna work. Awesome. Vidavon hubs, front and rear. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's we got some Vidavon spider gears and some Vidavon ring and pinion gears to go in to see what's broke. Hopefully it's just a ring and pinion. Also have the diff gasket. There's the part number for that if you need it. If you need any Vidavon, you can head over to Exocage RC. He has his own website up and going now to anything that you need for, shoot, just about anything he can get you for Vidavon. Just hit him up and he'll hook you up. Alright guys, let's dig into this thing and see what damage I did. I believe I'm gonna have to take the front bumper off, and then I should be able to get to the front diff. Sorry about the mess. No, it's horrible, but it is what it is. The size this is here. There we go. Okay, so that's got to come off. That up. You always want to check your rear fluids, guys. Nobody's going to check it for you. Remember that. If you don't check your rear end, nobody will. Alright. I'll just back up on the stand. Heavy. Heavy girl. Alright, what else do I need to take off here? Don't really need to take this off, but in order for y'all to see, I'm gonna take it off anyways. A little bit of a pain to get off. That's why I don't like taking them off. Usually I can get to everything, but it does kind of make it a little bit of a pain to get to the front bolts on that diff cover. So if you can get it out of your way, best bet's just get it out of your way. Maybe I can get this in there, don't know. No, I don't want to strip it out. Man, that thing sure is in there tight. All this is the front bumper bracket. It holds the front bumper. But man, it's in there tight. Good God Almighty. Now, if this gets enough views and get enough people to like it, I will continue to do more builds. I mean, I have a ton of stuff to build. I mean, I got a sledge that has all the Vidavon parts that you can ask for on a sledge, and I still have to do that build. So I mean, like I said, I got plenty of builds with X-Maxes and crawlers and you name it. I mean, I got it, but I don't know if I really want to do it if it isn't going to get the views, get the attention that makes it worth for me doing it. So I don't know, y'all let me know, you know, down in the comment section. Let me know if that's what y'all want to see, and I'll keep doing it. And please like and subscribe, and you know, hit that bell, and you'll get all the